Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2008 Yamaha XT250 and today we'll be replacing the spark plug. On this bike, Yamaha recommends replacing the spark plug every 6,000 miles or once a year. I'm replacing the spark plug today because a friend of mine just bought this bike and it seems kind of abused, so I'm fixing it up for him. It only takes a couple minutes to change, so why am I still talking? Here are the tools that I used for this job. Socket wrench, torque wrench, 18mm deep socket, spark plug gap tool, and an air compressor. For this job I also needed a stool and a spark plug. There are links in the description for everything I used. Blow away any debris so nothing falls into the engine when we take the spark plug out. Pull the spark plug cap straight off. I don't have an 18mm spark plug socket, so I used an 18mm deep socket instead. This is the rustiest spark plug I've ever seen, but the bike was still running fine with it. Yamaha says the electrode at the bottom should be medium to light tan, but this one's a little dark, which could mean the engine is running rich, or maybe the spark plug's just really old. We'll have to see how the new spark plug looks after a few rides. If you want to know what the color of your spark plug means, use your browser to search for images with the keywords spark plug chart. If you don't think you need to replace the spark plug yet, you can clean the electrode with a wire brush, clean the gasket surface, check the gap, and reinstall. I checked the gap on this spark plug before installing, and it was within the acceptable range. The spark plug should be torqued to 13 foot-pounds. Replace the cap and we're done. I'll be making a lot more videos with this XT250, so come back and check those out too. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.